Hey guys, I'm playing Incredibox. This one is called The Love, I think. Um, yeah, just the love. Anyways, to make your combo sound like a bonus, all you have to do is completely think that sound like a bonus. First, we got Chatom and Whistle. And just finish this off. I think this will say look is cry. Whoa. Look at it. Yeah, I'm loving like McDonald's. And how about something else? Make it look like a bone, like a combo thingy. Yeah. So it's Incredibox is doing great. Yeah, except for Spunky Brain Rot, Benji X Scarlet sucks. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye.